Wouldn't it be nice not to have to stuff your food into the freezer like a game of Tetris? Having a backup freezer to organize and store your food makes all the difference in the world. That's why our experts put together a list of the 6 best chest freezers. We'll review all the different options to find the perfect fit for your home. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the Frigidaire 5 cubic foot chest freezer. You can't talk about chest freezers without Frigidaire coming into the conversation. Balancing functionality and performance at a low price point, the 5 cubic foot Frigidaire is a go-to for your food storage needs. The internal compartment depth of over 21.5 inches provides enough space to keep all of your favorites fresh and frozen until you need them. What makes this chest freezer unique from other options is its built-in defrost water drain, so you can easily clean and remove the excess water that builds up during the defrosting process, making it simple to clean the chest freezers inside. The Frigidaire comes with a small removable basket attached to the surface that holds your high-demand frozen items for optimal organization. This chest freezer is designed with an external temperature control switch to avoid releasing cold air when you want to adjust the internal temperature. You can adjust accordingly at the simple turn of a dial from cold to coldest. A power on light indicator below the temp control lets you know that your freezer is on and functioning properly. The Frigidaire chest freezer has a manual defrost system and a warranty of up to 1 year, so you can have peace of mind should anything happen to the compressor or internal components of the freezer. Here are the pros: includes a 1-year warranty, built-in drainage system, external temperature control with power light indicator, can maintain temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And the cons: manual temperature control, not automatic. Compartment size is most ideal for small families. At number 2 is the best medium capacity option, the Galanz 7 cubic foot chest freezer. Packed with all the features that you'd want, the Galanz 7 cubic foot freezer is the perfect solution for homes with large families. It comes with 2 large upper bin storage spaces, so you can fit all types of frozen items in for quick access. The chest freezer also comes with 3 external indicator lights: power, run, and alarm, so you can see the status of the freezer and be alerted if the temperature starts to get too high. Annual temperature dial has 7 settings, so you can set the temperature to your exact needs. It comes with a manual defrost system, and unlike other chest freezers that make a buzzing noise when powering on, the Galanz manual defrost chest freezer is specially built with a soundless, quiet system. For hassle-free maintenance, it comes with a built-in drain outlet when it's time for defrosting. The interior compartment is manufactured with an embossed aluminum liner that maintains maximum cooling and won't get banged up from tough use. In addition, the Galanz chest freezer exterior is pre-coated with sturdy steel, and that will allow the freezer to last for many years to come. The chest freezer includes an R600A compressor that saves energy and quickly cools food. It comes with 4 casters, so you can easily place it anywhere you want in the house. Here are the pros: 7 cubic feet of storage capacity, 2 removable wire baskets for optimal organization, built-in drain outlet for easy cleaning, energy efficient with an R600A refrigerant whisper-quiet compressor. And the cons: manual temperature settings. The temperature alarm can be a bit sensitive. At number 3 is the best high-capacity option, the Frigidaire 19.8 cubic foot chest freezer. The Frigidaire electric chest freezer features all the power you need to stay organized with a frost-free drawer, external temperature control, and freeze boost to help preserve your food's freshness. It even has a high-temperature alarm that lets you know when the temperature inside is getting too warm, so you can adjust it accordingly. A temperature display lets you check the temperature from the outside, so you don't have to open the freezer to check it. With the power light indicator, you can see if the freezer freezer is operational and it notifies you if your freezer is working properly. For consistent temperature, the Frigidaire comes equipped with a manual defrost system. The 19.8 cubic foot capacity allows plenty of room to store meats, fruits, and vegetables so that you can create quick solutions for family meals. It features 2 adjustable dividers on the surface so you can customize your storage space accordingly. This chest freezer also has a lock with a pop-out key and an elegant white finish that blends with any room setting. For easy portability, the freezer comes with casters on the bottom so you can easily roll the freezer wherever you need it to be. With little to no installation, the Frigidaire electric chest freezer is the best large-capacity freezer on the market. Here are the pros: huge 19.8 cubic foot capacity, external LED precision temp control, freeze boost for quick freezing, locking freezer door capability, removable baskets for optimum storage. And the cons: because of its size, it takes a bit more electricity, and it's a bit more difficult to move around. At number 4 is the best option for small spaces, the Midea 3.5 cubic foot single-door chest freezer. Midea takes big freezer technology and packages it into a compact powerhouse chest freezer. The single-door chest freezer delivers 3.5 cubic feet of storage capacity, making it perfect for backup storage or for small families. The insulated reversible hinged lid not only lets you place the chest freezer anywhere for easy access, it also contains stop anchors at 45 and 70-degree angles for hands-free loading without worrying that the lid will fall on you. The adjustable min-to-max temperature dial at the base of the freezer cabinet is housed near the compressor for guaranteed frozen food perfection. Midea promises the thermometer to work between icy cold at minus 0.4 degrees to positively Arctic at minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit. The interior of the Midea single-door chest freezer is constructed with anodized aluminum. With a handy hanging removable wire storage basket, you can place your favorite items on top for easy access. It's super easy to clean and has a built-in manual defrost drain. This lightweight chest freezer will save you money, and it's incredibly energy efficient. The average annual energy usage is rated to be just $23. It's simply perfect for small apartments and efficiencies tucked secretly into the corner of the kitchen or garage, and even great in your RV. Here are the pros: a full 1-year warranty and an extra 2-year warranty on the Whisper Quiet compressor. Reversible hinged lid with locking features. Energy efficient at an average cost of approximately $23 annually. Built-in R600A refrigerant for 0 ozone depletion. And the cons: no internal light, no fast freeze setting. At number 5 is the best budget option, the Arctic King 7 cubic foot chest freezer. Due to its compact design and functionality, it is ranked as one of the top appliances on Amazon, with over 72% of customers highly recommending the Arctic King as a must-have freezer. The Arctic King chest freezer is designed with a sleek black finish to perfectly complement any room. With 7 cubic feet of storage, it measures 22 by 32 by 34 inches, which is enough to store all types of frozen items without worrying about space. The compartment of the chest freezer is designed to be simple to clean with a removable basket. It comes with a separate storage basket that can be detached for convenience and 2 adjustable legs so you can level the freezer at any place in the house. It also features manual defrost to give optimal control over the temperature. With the built-in external temperature dial, you can adjust the temperature to your liking without having to open the compartment. The chest freezer comes with a balanced hinge design that can be fixed from 45 to 75 degrees, so you don't have to worry when holding the freezer lid. With a weight of 73 pounds, the chest freezer has an energy efficiency system, so it costs just $30 a year to operate. Here are the pros. Built for durability with a low price point. Included removable storage rack. Easy, clean design. External adjustable temp control. And the cons, no internal light for use in dark conditions. Does not have auto defrost. At number 6 is the best portable option, the COSTWAY 2.1 cubic foot portable chest freezer. The COSTWAY is more like a thermoelectric cooler with a lot of unique bells and whistles of a full-size freestanding chest freezer. The slick, shiny silver and black design has 2 tough steel side handles for easy transport and 2 front-locking clasps for an airtight seal between the lid and the base. The interior of the COSTWAY features a rust-resistant removable basket which holds up to 15 12-ounce beer or soda cans and an aluminum no-heat shelf above the compressor for optimal storage. The COSTWAY LCD temperature adjustment screen built into the front of the base lets you select a standard refrigerator function for sodas, salads, and sandwiches, or -0.4 to -50 degrees for cold freeze or fast freeze function. You can have exact temperature control. Buttons on the LCD control panel also include battery protection, compressor speed, and a light, which switches on a bright internal LED light to access your goodies in the darkest of campground nights. The Whisper Quiet 45 dB compressor falls into the quiet spectrum of sound and is no louder than a soft conversation. One touch of the battery protection button alerts the COSTWAY to your specific low, medium, or high setting, which keeps the freezer from surging. The COSTWAY uses a 70-watt power source, which can be plugged into a standard 110-volt household outlet or your car's 12-volt battery. Here are the pros. Multiple temperature options with fridge to freezer versatility. 110-volt or 12-volt compatibility. Whisper Quiet 45 dB compressor. An internal LED light. And the cons. It's on the heavier side for a portable freezer because of that large capacity. Don't forget to check the description box below for more home appliance information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.